Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, we are going to see how you can download and install Swiggy app on your phone. Well, it is a very easy and simple process, so let's dive right into it. So the first thing that you want to do is open your app store on your iPhone. So if you're using Android, you can use your Play Store. So after opening your app store, all you have to do is tap on the search icon on the bottom right corner right here. And then you will be able to see the search bar right above right here. Tap on it and start typing Swiggy. So after you have typed Swiggy, now tap on the search button on your keyboard and then you will be able to see Swiggy app. Right here you can see Swiggy Food Instamart Dine Out. Tap on it. And after tapping on it here, you will be able to see get button right here. Tap on it in order to download the app. So if you have put any kind of face lock on your app store, the face lock will be required. Here you can see there is the requirement of face lock. So I'm just going to double click on the power button just like this. And you can see my Face ID has been recognized and the download process has been started. Now it's going to take a few minutes in order to completely download it. And just like this, you can see the download process has been completed and you will be able to see the open button right here. Simply just tap on the open button in order to open Swiggy app. And just like this, you can see your Swiggy app has been opened. And that is it. That is how you download and install Swiggy app on your phone. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.